So how do you set people you know on your Android to ring even if your phone is on a silent? So in order to access these kind of features, what you need to use is what's called modes and routines. So you can find it inside of the settings, and it is somewhere closer towards the top, so I can see it right here. And inside in here, I can basically pick whichever type of mode or routine I want to use. So it might be work or some of the existing ones, or I can basically create my own one. And what this allows me to do is to set up a specific mode. Let's say it's going to be a work mode where the silent or do not disturb mode will be turned on, except for a few people. So it allows me to give exceptions to few contacts or apps to still be able to use my phone normally, even though I am on the do not disturb mode. So I can pick specific people as well as the notifications for apps, as I said. So this is how you can set it up. Then all you need to do is just to turn on this work mode or whatever else it is. And then the people that you set up to go through will go through, and everything else will be silenced, or depending on how you have it set up. Naturally, you also have the settings right here for the sound and volume. So perhaps you want to have the vibration enabled or not. So up to you to decide, but that's basically what you need to do. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know below in the comments what you think about it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next one.